In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make melt and pour transparent soap base. And we are going to be needing the following ingredients. 30 grams of glycerin. Glycerin in transparent soap serves as a moisturizer ladder, enhancing and improving the soap clarity, contributing to both its aesthetic appeal and functional benefits to the skin. And next, 30 grams of sugar. Sugar in transparent soap serves to enhance lather, moisturizing effect, texture, and clarity, and also contribute to soap preservation. And so we need 30 ml of water for making our own sugar solution. 45 grams of caustic soda. Caustic soda in transparent soap is critical for saponification, structure, cleansing power, and pH balance. Enable oil to transform into a clear, effective soap. 50 grams of stearic acid. Stearic acid in transparent soap acts as hardener, lather stabilizer, and emulsifier, enhancing the soap structure, feel, and clarity. 200 ml of coconut oil. Coconut oil in transparent soap provides effective cleansing rich lather, hardness, and moisturizing effect, and also aid in achieving a clear appearance. 160 ml of water for making our light solution. 160 ml of ethanol. Ethanol in transparent soap acts as clarity agent that enhance transparency, solvent for even missing, lather booster, and aid in fast setting during production. And now let's get started. We start by dissolving 30 grams of sugar in 30 ml of distilled water and set it aside. Your solution should be clear as this, with no sugar particles left undissolved. Dissolve 50 grams of stearic acid in 200 ml of coconut oil using a double boiler method. Dissolve 45 grams of caustic soda in 160 ml of distilled water. Stir to dissolve completely and set it aside until it becomes clear. Simple rules to follow. Always add your caustic soda into your water, not the other way around. When the light solution is clear, gradually pour it into the coconut oil and stearic acid solution, then stir and mix it properly. To make it faster, use your stick blender to mix it well. Now pour in 160 ml of ethanol and blend properly. Blend until everything is well dissolved. Use your spatula to bring down the one sticking to the side of the container and blend for 2 more minutes. Cover it with a nylon before using the container's cover to cover it properly and cook it using a double boiler method for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, everything is well dissolved. Now give it a quick blend for 1 minute. Then add 30 grams of glycerin to it and blend for 1 minute. And next we add our sugar solution to it and blend for 2 more minutes. Then stir it and cover it and leave it for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, as you can see, the soap has become clear. So transfer into a mold. Use alcohol spray to get rid of the bubbles on top and leave to rest for about 24 hours. And this is like the 18th hour. Gently remove it from the mold. And here you have it. Our transparent soap base is ready. And if you want it in more whitish color than this, then consider to use a more clearer coconut oil than this, because the color of the oil play a crucial role in the final look of your soap base. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button as I have more great videos for you. And if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. Leave it to cure for about 2 weeks before using it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless.